Hi, I'm Lori Walker, and welcome to Lori's Local Corner, where we share simple ideas to help you enjoy your home and your community. I realized something this week. Amazon probably knows what my front porch looks like better than I do. Like many homeowners, I come and go through my garage every day. And when I finally walked up to my front door, I started noticing things I'd been walking past for months.
Dirty fingerprints on the door, cobwebs, old bird nests, insect dirt on the light fixture, weeds in the flower bed, and a porch that simply needed a little attention. Living in Paulding and West Cobb, we've had plenty of rain this summer. The rain has kept our trees beautiful and our landscapes green, but it's also made the weeds grow faster than ever. Add Georgia's heat, humidity, flies, and mosquitoes, and it's easy to keep putting this project off. My suggestion is simple. Choose an early morning before the heat builds or before the afternoon showers arrive. Bring a bucket of warm, soapy water, a broom, a pair of gloves, and spend just an hour refreshing your front entrance. Wipe down the front door and door frame, clean the glass in the light fixture, sweep the porch, remove old cobwebs and any inactive bird or insect nests. Pull the weeds and freshen the flower bed with a little mulch if it needs it. If your porch doesn't have a ceiling fan, consider using a weather-resistant outdoor fan while you work or when you're relaxing outside. The moving air helps make the porch more comfortable and can even discourage flies and mosquitoes. The goal isn't perfection, it's creating a clean, welcoming entrance that makes you smile every time you walk up to your home. And remember, every Friday I take you behind the door to tour another beautiful home in our area. But before anyone steps inside a home, they experience the front door first.
Thank you for joining me for Lori's Local Corner. Tomorrow, join me for Home Matters as we continue our step-by-step guide to buying a home. Until then, enjoy where you live, and I'll see you around the neighborhood.